Hi everyone, I'm Isaac with Food in Focus, and today we'll be talking about onions. Did you know that ancient Greeks believed that onions gave them strength and endurance? Before Olympic Games, athletes would eat pounds of onions, drink onion juice, and rub onions all over their bodies. For information about the use of onions in other cultures and more, check out the Oregon Harvest poster on the Food Hero website. Onions are a nutrition powerhouse and an excellent base or tasty addition to recipes. I like to use onions in the Food Hero recipe creamy potato leek soup, available on our website. The smell of garlic, onions, and leeks sautéing in margarine or butter will make anyone near your cooking hungry. When I am choosing onions, I look for whole onions that are firm and heavy for their size and have no scent. Avoid cut, bruised, or sprouting onions. There are many different types of onions. Yellow onions usually cost the least and are better for cooking. I use sweet onions or red onions when I need a mild raw flavor or bright color. Other types of onions you can use include green onions and leeks. I always store whole onions in a cool, dark, dry place in an open bowl or bag. They need air around them to slow spoilage. Stored this way, they can last for several weeks. If I have peeled or cut onions, I'll refrigerate them in sealed containers or wrap tightly and make sure to use them within 1 to 2 weeks. Any extra raw or cooked onions I have that I don't think I'll use, I can put in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 8 months. Green onions, or scallions, should be refrigerated and used within 1 to 2 weeks. To find more onion tips and tons of recipes, including creamy potato leek soup, go to foodhero.org. Here you can also sign up to get the Food Hero Monthly emailed to your inbox each month for free. Thanks for watching.